Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to look at the basics of mutual fund. I will be making videos in batches, so I don't want to give the whole basics in just one video. So and detailed ones, I will just give you all a briefing of what is mutual fund and all those things, so that you all can understand easily. So in this particular video, what are we going to see? So we're going to see what is mutual fund, different schemes in it, types of mutual funds, and advantages and types. Not all the types, I'll just give you all the basic types. So let's get in and look at the details. So here let's see what is mutual fund. So what is mutual fund? So it's an investment which uses money from investors to invest money in stocks, bonds, and other things. A fund manager will be appointed by the mutual fund company to take care of the money and the investment. He's the one who decides in which to invest and how to invest and how much to invest and everything. Let's look into the different types of mutual fund schemes. There are two types, which is open-ended and close-ended funds. What is open-ended? Basically, it is a scheme. It's a scheme we can invest money on a continuous basis, like whenever we want. Think we get a bonus or a extra money in the end of the month, we have our salary left over, you can just go ahead, open and invest it in it, and we can subscribe to this fund, this open-ended listed funds whenever we want, at the net asset value. What is close-ended? It's just right opposite to open-ended, which means you can't invest whenever we want. So this fund calls off when it starts off, so we have to go subscribe to it whenever the fund is going to start, and invest only at the time of launch, and we can't buy or sell the units. Let's see the types of funds. I am not going to give you all the details. There are many funds, but I will just give you all explain about just four funds, majorly used funds. So the first one is equity or growth fund. The name itself tells what so it invests only in equity, that is stocks. So it is again divided as per the market capitalization, like small cap, mid cap, multi-cap, large cap. I will give you all details in the coming videos. So next is the debt or income fund. So what does this mean? So this type of mutual fund scheme invests only in fixed income instruments like bonds, securities. This will give a stable return. So this will have a stable return compared to other funds. So liquid fund. This is a super fund. I'll tell you all why. Because see, we can invest money here for short-term periods. There is no fixed period. We can do the redemption whenever we want. Say I have a extra amount this month in my salary, I can just go and put it in the liquid fund, which will and suddenly the next week I will need some need for the money, so I can directly go and do the redemption immediately, and the investment value will not drop at all. So the amount will stay like that itself. The investment amount will stay like that itself, and compared to the savings account and other, we will get a good return in a short term of period. So the last and the final one is the balanced fund. They are also called as hybrid funds. They invest in both bonds and stocks. The risk is not more here in this fund, because it'll give you all a balanced returns, because bonds and all won't drop off just like that. So, and the expense ratio is very less here. Let's look at the advantages of this. What are the advantages we get by investing in mutual fund? So the first one is professional management. So each mutual fund appoints a fund manager so that he's professionally trained in investment and how to invest, what to invest, so our money will be in safe hands. Next, flexible. It is plans can change. Flexible innovative plans means I buy the fund manager buys a stock in the amount we invest, and suddenly there is some issue or something, and the stock rate, the value starts reducing. We can immediately sell that and buy some other stock instead of the one which is going down. So that is the flexible thing in here. The third one is liquidity. Whenever we want, we can just go ahead and do the redemption. And then fourth one, transparency. So when y'all are investing in L&T small cap fund. So L&T small cap fund, we can just go. I will give you all where to search and how to search in upcoming videos. You all can get into that website and search for L&T small cap fund. So that fund, you all can see what all funds, company the fund is holding, how much is it holding, and what is it written. Everything is, if the investor can look into it whenever we want and have a track of what is happening in the fund. The next one is tax benefits. Not all mutual funds give tax benefit, but when you all invest in ELS's fund, it is benefited up to 1,50,000 under section 80C. I will give you all I will make a video of top tax benefits in the ELS's funds and how to invest, how to open, and all those things in the upcoming videos. And lastly, it is well regulated, means well maintained. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. Information provided is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Always seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.